Congratulations on your purchase of your brand new Heartway S26 Verve. Here at Out and About Healthcare, we believe in empowering people on their journey to independence with the latest mobility innovation. Thank you for joining the Out and About family. Now that you have your brand new Verve, it's time to open it. We recommend cutting the box down the sides to make getting your scooter out easier. Once the sides are cut, pull the scooter from the box. Carefully raise the scooter and styrofoam from the ground and stand it upright. The scooter's wheels will touch the ground. Have a firm hold on the scooter and gently slide it out from the styrofoam casing. Loosen the screw on the tiller and pull it up. This will help avoid it getting caught when you unfold it. Lay the scooter on the ground. Press the button at the front of the scooter to unfold it. Unfold the backrest and raise the armrests. Your key will be on your handlebar. The key works as close proximity, so make sure you have it with you when you turn on your scooter. In the box, you will have received a charger. To charge your scooter, connect the cable to the battery box. Your charging port is located on the side of your Verve. Plug in the XLR charger. We recommend purchasing an outlet surge protector for your Verve. This will help protect it from damage in the event of a sudden surge of power. Plug the charger into a standard wall outlet. If the battery indicator shows red, you will need to leave it to charge. It is recommended you recharge your scooter overnight after daily usage. Do not let your battery drop to zero. If the battery indicator shows green, your battery is fully charged. It is important to keep an eye on your battery indicator, as it is a visual representation of your charge. On green, your battery is well charged. On yellow, start considering charging it. On red, you have a low battery and will need to charge your scooter. Once your scooter is charged, it will not overcharge if left connected. The ampage from the charger will almost be zero. Your scooter will be fine if left on charge overnight. Your Verve has an impressive crystal LED display panel that has the time, a speed indicator, and a battery gauge. It can also show you the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, a trip display, headlights, forwards and backwards movement, and error codes. On the left side of your display, you have your power button, horn, headlights, mode, and set button. To change the setting on your Verve, press the mode button to toggle between the time, temperature, and trip display. To adjust the time, press mode and set simultaneously. To set the minutes, press the set button. To set 24-hour time, press the headlight button. When you're finished, press mode. To change between Celsius and Fahrenheit, navigate to the temperature display. Press set to change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. To switch your headlights on and off, press the headlight button. The headlight icon will show on your display if your headlights are on. To switch your laser lights on and off, press mode and headlight simultaneously. In the event of an error, your Verve will show you an error message. The number it shows you will give you an idea as to what the problem may be. Please refer to the manual for more information. To activate freewheel mode, turn your scooter off and locate the lever at the back of your scooter. Move the lever up to activate freewheel mode. This means you will be able to push your Verve manually. To switch it off, simply push the lever down again. Your scooter will not work in freewheel mode. Make sure the lever is down before attempting to operate your scooter. If you activate freewheel mode when your scooter is on, you will need to switch your scooter off and restart it. This will re-engage the brakes. In the event of travel, you may need to remove your battery. If you have plans to travel, we recommend purchasing an additional cable for your Verve. This is so you can fold your Verve and still remove the battery. Your battery is located below your seat. To release the battery, turn the key to the unlock position and carefully pull the battery out. Connect the cable to the scooter and then connect the cable to the other side of the battery. Now you'll be able to fold your scooter up. Once folded, disconnect the battery. We recommend leaving the cable connected to your scooter. To unfold your scooter, reconnect the battery. Unfold your scooter, reinsert the battery and lock it into position with the key. To fold your scooter, fold the chair and armrests down. Push the button at the front of your scooter and it will automatically fold down. If you have any questions with your new Verve, be sure to refer to the manual or contact Out and About Healthcare on 1300 366 545.